Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'm going to show you how to make an extremely easy sun-dried frittata. This is perfect for breakfast, lunch or even dinner or even as a snack. So let's get started. For the sun-dried frittata we will need just a few ingredients. 1 medium onion, 50 grams of feta cheese or you can use parmesan, it's entirely up to you. 5 medium eggs, salt and pepper to taste, 60 ml of olive oil and 6 pieces of dried tomatoes. I just put some hot water on top to make sure that they will expand a bit. We will start preparing our ingredients. I'll chop finely the tomato and I'll start frying it on the medium heat for about 5 minutes until golden brown. So now remove the sun-dried tomatoes from the water and just slice them lengthwise. We will add them to the fried onion as soon as they will be golden brown. In a bowl, put all your eggs, salt and pepper, and about 60 ml or half of the water from the sun-dried tomatoes. Give it a good mix. And add the cheese as well. So give it a good mix and set it aside. In a non-stick frying pan, add the olive oil and the onions and fry them until they are golden brown. This will take about 4 minutes. When the onions are golden brown, add the sun-dried tomatoes and fry for about a minute or so. When everything is well combined, add the egg mixture, give it a good stir, just to incorporate everything. Now place the lid on. Reduce the heat to about medium and fry for about 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes depending on your stove. Just check because it has to puff up. So after about 4 minutes, the frittata puffed up. With a spatula, make sure to check under because we are going to turn it now and we don't want to stick it. Just move it. This is how you'll see if somewhere is stick. An easy way to flip the frittata, just put a plate on the top, be very careful, place your hand on top and flip the place back on the heat and just slide the frittata back and fry it for about a minute or so. Okay, so now I'm ready to flip my frittata just from the pan on the plate. So this is the frittata. You can serve it hot or cold, and as well you can serve it sliced or in half. It's entirely up to you. You can add some mozzarella. So this was my recipe of sun-dried frittata. This is super delicious for breakfast, lunch, snack or even dinner for yourself or for friends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. Leave a comment in the comment box below, and I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday super interesting, quick and healthy recipes. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.